Hello guys, today we will be doing the review of CR Droid ROM. The latest build has been published with the latest Android security patch and with some bug fixes. Some bugs are still there. We'll talk about it later. Now let's move into CR Droid settings. This ROM is highly customizable. Here you can customize status bar icons. You can enable or disable every status bar icon from here. Clock style and network traffic signal icon. You can customize almost everything in this ROM. You can enable old style signal icon from here. Every type of icon has the option to customize it. You can also change the battery icon style. Here is some options. You can hide battery percentage from here if you want to. You can also control the brightness by swapping on status bar. Moving on to quick settings, you can also customize battery style from here. Brightness slider customization is also available. You can change the animation of quick setting tiles from here. Here you can see the animation, which looks very cool. Here are the three options: rotate, flip X, flip Y. Comment down below which animation you liked. You can enable data usage to show data usage in quick settings. You can enable clear all notification button from here. Now let's move into lock screen settings. Here is also many customization options. In navigation settings, you can customize navigation buttons if you use navigation buttons, but I am using navigation gestures, so not much customization there. In buttons, you can customize physical buttons from here. In power menu, you can enable advanced restart option from here. Here you can customize your volume buttons. In user interface, you get ambient display option. You can enable always on display from here. You can also change screen of animation from here. You can also change font style, icon shape from here. Here are some notification settings. Here you can customize your sound settings. In Pulse, you get some audio equalizer customization. In miscellaneous, you will get most wanted feature, unlock higher FPS in games, and Google Photos unlimited storage. So both are working fine in this ROM. And at last, you can get all CR Droid information from here. Now after tons of customization settings, let's move into some basic settings. In network and internet settings, mobile data, Wi-Fi, hotspot, calling, SMS, everything is working fine. In connected device, Bluetooth is also working on media and calling. In apps, you will get these basic apps. There is no such G apps, only Play Store is available, which is all we need at least. Now talking about battery backup is excellent in this ROM. You can see all stats here, and these stats are with personal hotspot on for continuous 12 hours and with 120 Hz. So battery backup is excellent, and also fast charging is working fine. In storage, you will get more free space than other ROMs. In sound and vibration, everything is working. In ringtones, you will get very old type ringtones. I can say old is gold. In display settings, brightness, adaptive brightness is working fine. You can enable a smooth display for 120 Hz, tap to back, tap to sleep, all is working. In security, face unlock and fingerprint both are working. Here you can see. Fingerprint is also working on always on display. Now let's check the face unlock. Here you can see it is very fast. Here you can see double tap is also working. This is the lock screen, which looks nice. This ROM is also encrypted like all other ROMs of Realme GT Neo 2. In system settings, you will get these basic options. You also get updater option, but this is useless, not working. In control center, you will get advanced restart option from here. You can reboot to recovery or bootloader from here. Talk about calling. Mic, wagon, loudspeaker calls are still there. And call recording doesn't work in this ROM. You will get this basic messaging app in this ROM. This is open camera. I have installed it because the camera given with this ROM doesn't work. It crashes. Here you can see. Talking about app opening and closing, you can see it is very smooth and fast. You will get Play Store certified in this ROM, so safety net will be passed by default. You will get these apps pre-installed with this ROM. Benchmark apps and YouTube is installed by me. Now let's talk about benchmarks. Here you can see the 3D Mark score and AnTuTu benchmark score, which is decent. Here are some launcher settings. You can customize a little bit here also. By the way, what's your favorite launcher? Comment down below if you use any launcher. In widgets, you won't get Android 12 clocks because this is almost vanilla build. Here you get some basic game space settings. This is default music player of the ROM. So this is it for the review of CR Droid latest update. If you have any other questions and suggestions, comment down below and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.